Most expensive house in the world. The world's most expensive house is in London, and not surprisingly, it belongs to Queen of England. The price tag for a larger than life house, in this case a palace no less, go all way 1 billion. Consider it ironic or fact, being stranger than fiction. But the second most expensive house in the world is in India, and it belongs to Mukesh Ambani, whose 27-story Anishilia on Mumbai's Kumbala Hill was built in 2006 at an estimated cost of between 1 to 2 billion. Since the Buckingham Palace is crown property, Ambani's Anishilia is actually the most expensive private residential home in the world. A few uber rich buyers, such as Brazilian born philanthropist Lily Safra, purchase historic estates and renovate it there to suit their tastes, sort of like building their own personal helipad. However, some take it a notice higher by building a palace for themselves from the ground up, like the Villa Les Cedres on the French Riviera, built for the King of Belgium. We make a list of some of the most expensive homes in the world. Some of them are so expensive they deserve their own pin code. Don't believe us? Take a look at 10 of the most expensive houses below. The Queen of England is the queen of real estate. Buckingham Palace is technically a crown property and comprises 775 rooms, 188 staff rooms, including 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 92 offices, 78 bathrooms, and 19 staterooms, making this is not just the world's most expensive resident but also the most roomy. 19 stateroom, making this not just the world's most expensive residence but also the most roomy. Anishilia, Mumbai, India, owned by India's richest man Mukesh Ambani. The 40,000 square foot Anishilia on Mumbai's Kumbala Hills is situated in one of the world's most expensive addresses, Altamont Road, designed by Chicago-based architects Perkins and Will, with the Australian-based construction company Legend Holdings taking charge of its construction. The building comes with 27 floors, replete with extra high ceilings. Every floor is equivalent to an average two-story building's floor. In fact, Initialia can survive an earthquake of magnitude 8 on the Richter scale. India's most expensive house also has 6 dedicated floors for cars, including Ambani's inner 5 crore Mercedes Maybach. The villa has several notable owners, including Gianni and Marilla and Agnelli Isaac and Dorothy Callum, and since 1987, Lily Safra, who inherited the villa after the husband's death. A Brazilian philanthropist and widow of Lebanese banker William Safra has her 50-acre estate include a massive greenhouse, a swimming pool and pool house, an outdoor kitchen, helipad and a guest house. The house was even used as a set in the Alfred Hitchcock class To Catch a Thief. The villa Les Cedres on the French Riviera, priced at a whopping $410 million, is it fit for a king? Probably, because it was built for the King of Belgium back in 1830. The 18,000 square feet home comes with 14 bedrooms, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a wood paneled library holding 3,000 books on a flora and naturalism, including a 1640 edition of a botanical codex, a man-made pond with Amazonian lily pads, a bronze statue of Athena, a chandelier-lit ballroom, a stable big enough for 30 horse Grand sitting room, 19th century portraits in ornate frames and stunning woodwork throughout with a list price of 350 millions. The owner of the Italian distiller David Campari Milano Spa is betting that the house combination of history, luxury, and a prime location will be enough to make it the most expensive residential sale in history. Owned by a Ira Renner, owner the Renko Group, a holding company with investments in auto manufacturing and smelting. This 63-acre home comes with 29 bedrooms and it is very own power plant. The mansion also has 39 bedrooms, a basketball court, bowling alley, squash court, tennis court, 3 swimming pools, and a massive 91 foot dining room. Al- the Alsatian State. This 23-acre property belongs to Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison. The compound has 10 buildings, a man-made lake, koi pond, tea house, and bathhouse. Though his 2012 purchase of the heavier island of Lenny has been his largest overall investment by far, Ellison made a number of blockbuster purchases over the last 2 decades.